Determine the equation of the straight line that passes through the point 3, 4 and has intercepts on the x-axis and y-axis adding up to 14. Let us begin. So first, we'll try to understand the problem graphically. For this, let us consider the xy coordinate plane. So we will begin by first plotting the point 3, 4. So let us consider that this is the point P with the coordinates 3, 4. Now what we'll do, we're going to construct a line that passes through this point P. Now clearly, line L1 intersects the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B. So let us suppose that the coordinates of the point A, that's given by A, 0, and coordinates of the point B, let that be 0, B. Now in other words, what we are assuming here is that OA. So OA, which is the x-intercept of line L1, we're considering it to be having of length A, and OB, that's the y-intercept of the line L1, so that has a length of B unit. Okay, now it's given it a problem that the intercepts on the x-axis and y-axis add up to 14. In other words, it's given here that A plus B, that's equals to 14. So this is the condition that's given to us. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll first try to assume the equation of the line, because our goal is to find out the equation of the line. So let the equation of the line be denoted by, we're going to denote it with taking the help of the intercept form of the line, which is x over A added to y over B equals to 1, which intersects the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. And it is given in the problem that A plus B, that is equals to 14. So let's label this as number 1. So this is given to us. So using this, our goal will be to determine the value of A and B, and also we need to determine the value of A and B in order to find out the equation of the line. Okay, so let us begin. Now it's given in the problem that the straight line passes through the point 3, 4. We can say since the line passes through the point P, having the coordinates 3, 4. So this must satisfy the equation of the line. Then we can say that 3 over A added to 4 over B, this must be equals to 1. It must satisfy the equation of the line. That means the point lies on the line, so the x coordinate will be replaced with 3 and the y coordinate will be replaced with 4. So let's simplify this. So here we're going to get 3b plus 4a. This is going to be equals to ab. So let this be equation number 2. Now what we'll do, we will take the help of equation 1 and 2 to find out the value of a and b. Now that's a very simple task. So what we can do, from 1, here we can represent b in terms of a as 14 minus a. And we're going to replace this in place of b in equation number 2. So equation number 2, that's now going to become 3 times. So in place of b, we have 14 minus a added to 4 times a equals to ab. So a times b will be a times 14 minus a. Okay, so let's now simplify it. So 3 times 14, so that's going to be 42 minus 3a added to 4a, that's going to be equals to 14a minus a squared. Now let's rearrange the terms to get a squared. Then we have negative 13a plus 42 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can use any standard rules to find out the value of a here. So here a is going to have the values. A could be 7 or a could be 6. Okay, so let's now try to find out the value of b. So when we have a equals to 7, then corresponding b value, that is going to be 7 as well. And when we have a equals to 6, then the corresponding b value, that's going to be equals to 8. Okay, now for a equals to 7 and b equals to 7, the equation is going to be x over 7 added to y over 7 equals to 1. All we have done is replace a with 7 and b with 7. or in other words we can say x plus y equals to 7. This is going to be equation of the line, and another equation that's going to be given by x over 6 added to y over 8 equals to 1. Okay, next what we'll do, we're going to multiply throughout with the least common multiple of 6 and 8, so that's going to be 24. So multiplying throughout with 24, so we are going to get 4x plus 3y equals to 24. As we're getting two equations, this clearly indicates that there are going to be two lines which meets the criterion that it's going to pass through the point 3, 4, and the sum of the intercepts on the axis is going to be 14.